Imagine this. You're putting away thousands every year into your 401k. Your company is even matching some of it. That's free money. Yet every time you open your statement, a quiet question pops up. Is this really growing my future the way I truly want? Tens of thousands of hardworking Americans across Texas, California, Florida, and the Midwest feel this exact moment every quarter. They love the tax advantages and the employer match, but they want their retirement dollars working in line with their personal values. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to make your 401k halal compliant without giving up the match, without sacrificing growth, and without the confusion. Stick with me until the end because you'll walk away with a clear, step-by-step plan that thousands of people are already using successfully. Hey everyone, welcome to the channel where we cut through the noise and give you practical, American-focused money strategies that actually work in real life. I've spent years studying retirement accounts, speaking with plan administrators, and helping professionals from nurses in Miami to engineers in Austin get their money working smarter. In the next few minutes, you're going to learn what actually makes a 401k halal compatible, the best funds and ETFs you can choose right now, a simple 3-step roadmap anyone can follow, and the biggest mistakes that quietly cost people thousands. If you're ready to feel confident about your retirement again, hit that like button and let's dive in. Let's be real for a second. You're grinding at your job, whether it's a 9-to-5 in corporate America, running your own small business, or clocking overtime just to cover rising groceries and mortgage payments. Family goals keep growing, inflation is still biting, and retirement is sneaking up faster than you'd like. You know the 401k is one of the smartest tools out there: pre-tax contributions, potential employer match, and decades of compound growth. But when the default options don't fully align with your values, that excitement turns into quiet worry. I get it. You're not looking for complicated schemes. You just want a straightforward, professional way to keep your retirement on track while staying true to what matters most. That's exactly why we're here. A 401k is simply an employer-sponsored retirement account. In 2026, you can contribute up to $24,500 of your salary, plus an extra $8,000 if you're 50 or older. Many companies match 3 to 6%. That's literally free money.
The account itself is just a wrapper. What matters is what's inside. Halal-compliant options use rigorous screening to focus on companies with strong financials, low debt ratios, and business activities that meet ethical standards. Think leading names in tech, healthcare, and consumer brands that pass independent reviews. Here are the standout options widely available today. The Amana Growth Fund seeks long-term capital growth and has delivered approximately 16.4% annualized over the past 10 years, very competitive with broad market indexes. The Amana Income Fund focuses on steady income and capital preservation. The WAED FTSE USA Shariah ETF, ticker HALL, tracks large U.S. companies that meet halal criteria and has shown strong recent performance. And the SPUS S&P 500 Shariah ETF, ticker SPUS, another excellent large-cap option many plans now carry. Many employer plans include a brokerage window or self-directed option. You simply log in, search for these tickers, and your contributions buy them automatically. It's that straightforward. If your plan doesn't have these yet, you can politely ask HR to add them. More companies are doing exactly that every year because employees are requesting it. For even more control, you can roll over old 401ks into a dedicated halal-focused IRA with providers like WAED Invest or Azad Asset Management. The money stays tax-deferred or tax-free in a Roth, and you get full access to a diversified menu of screened investments. Here's the surprising truth most people get wrong. You do not have to choose between the employer match and your values. You can take the full match, it's free money, and simply direct your own contributions into the halal options available, or roll old accounts into a halal IRA. Many of these screened funds have actually delivered competitive and sometimes stronger long-term returns because they favor high-quality, low-debt companies. You're not sacrificing growth, you're choosing smarter growth. Let's make this ridiculously easy with a simple 3-step roadmap you can start this week. Step 1, assess today. Log into your 401k portal, download the fund list, and check what's available. Look for HALL, SPUS, or AMAGX, or anything labeled halal or Shariah screened. Takes 10 minutes. Step 2. Optimize this pay period. Increase your contribution enough to get the full employer match, then switch your elections to the halal options. If they're not there yet, send a short professional email to HR. Companies respond well to polite requests. Step 3. Future-proof within 30 days. Roll any old 401ks into a halal IRA if eligible. Set everything on autopilot and review just once a year. Thousands of professionals in every state are already doing this and sleeping better at night. Now, 3 common mistakes to avoid. Mistake number 1, leaving your money in the default target date fund without checking. These often hold bond allocations that may not align with your values. Mistake number 2, skipping the employer match to avoid imperfect options. Never leave free money on the table. Take the full match, then steer your contributions properly. Mistake number 3, forgetting about old 401ks after a job change. They can sit in non-aligned funds for years. Always roll them over when you leave. Avoid these and you'll stay years ahead. So here's the big picture. Your 401k can be one of the most powerful wealth-building tools in America. Tax-advantaged, matched by your employer, and now fully aligned with your values with just a few smart moves. Whether you're in your 30s building momentum or in your 50s catching up, aligning your retirement savings with your principles doesn't mean slower growth. It means clearer conscience and confident compounding for the life you want. Family security, freedom, and peace of mind. You now have the exact knowledge and action plan. The only question left is, when will you take that first step? Drop a comment right now and tell me, what's the biggest challenge you're facing with your 401k? I or a team member will reply personally. If this video gave you clarity and confidence, hit the thumbs up so more people can see it, and subscribe with notifications turned on. We release fresh, no-fluff retirement videos every week designed for busy Americans who want real results. Thank you for watching. You've got this, and your future self is already thanking you. This video is for educational purposes only and is not professional financial advice. Always consult a qualified financial advisor, tax professional, or your plan administrator before making any decisions about your retirement accounts. Past performance does not guarantee future results. Investments involve risk, including the possible loss of principal. See you in the next video.